Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So this level here, I'll fine tune it there, which is this previous breakout, which is where we are sitting long, which is 41.87 basically. It's been tested 3 times already, and this is now the 4th time that we're busy with at the moment during the Asian session. So one thing to point out here is my stop is still down in this area of 41.70, just below 41.70, and I'm getting to a point where I'm probably just gonna dump the trade right now. Nothing really going on, and you can see we're getting buyers coming off this level, but then we're not really making new highs, we're just making lower lows, and what that points to at the moment is a bit of a flat top triangle. So no rash decisions just yet. We're going to just wait this out for the European Open at least and see what transpires. Maybe the Open gives us something different, but it doesn't look like we're going to get much traction moving forward right now. So looking at the hour, you can see that is sideways. No reason to be trading that right now. So yeah, it's I think I have a bit of a decision to make whether we're going to move our stop up underneath this swing low here, anticipation for a further break to the downside, or whether we are just going to wait it out a little bit longer. Now you can see we did close up sort of higher than where we are now. We closed very close to the open. So if I look at the daily, let's just get rid of that so we can see. You can see range bar. So range bar, it's 2 range bars, indecision. The other thing it could be is inside bar. That's not really an inside bar, but we've got an inside bar with confirmation and another confirmation forming. So at the moment, this is really going nowhere. I actually don't think we're gonna have much joy with this. I think maybe the jobs number today gives us something to work with, but this 4200 area is really holding up price good and proper. So if we do get a deeper pullback, if we do break out of this, I think we're going to get a deeper pullback. There are quite a few gaps, sort of micro gaps on the 15-minute, all the way down this area here. So there's many areas for price to be held up. And the other thing, if you look to the left, there's a lot going on here. So kind of a difficult call, to be honest. It's more than likely wait and see. But since I am in a trade at the moment, we need to make some decisions. And there's nothing really giving me confidence that we are going up or down. So probably going to leave a trade for now. Just wait and see what happens at the European Open. I do suspect we'll come back to test the close. Let's just put a block here. So which is that area there. But if you look at that on the 15-minute, that tests the moving averages. So and this could also be move down, flag for another move down. Anyway, we're going to have to wait and see. There's no real direction at the moment. Everything's fairly flat. So we'll just wait and see what transpires. But if you're not in any trade on this at the moment, there's no reason to get into it. There's no setups for the long and there's no setups for the short at the moment. We're going to need to break above these tails. So at the moment it's these 2 tails here, which is going to give us confirmation to the upside. Break tails to the downside, not really going to give you confirmation to the downside just yet. There's too much support below. So you're going to have to take it off the 8 hour. So in other words, you need to break below these tails here before that becomes a reality. So yeah, anyway, that's my rambling for today. Completely confused on the markets. Going to wait for the jobs number, I think, and see what happens there. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.